8:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Tuesday, the stage was 9.4 feet. Flood stage is 11 feet. Minor flooding is forecast. Forecast. The river is expected to rise above flood stage tomorrow morning to a crest of 11.1 feet tomorrow morning. It will then fall below flood stage late tomorrow evening. Impact at 11 feet. Private road and bridge 1 mile downstream flood. Agricultural, rural Kibler area begins to flood. Flood history. This crest compares to a previous crest of 11.1 feet on June 27, 1996. Tide forecast.
This is NOAA Weather Radio, the 24-hour voice of your National Weather Service. The preceding signal was a test of the public warning and alarm for transmitters in the Florida listening area originating from Ruskin, Florida. This was also a test of the same system, or specific area message encoder. The same system will alert only the county or counties affected by a particular warning. These tests are conducted each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon, and again between 6 p.m. and 8 p.m. unless severe weather threatens. This concludes the weekly test. We now return to regular programming.
Coastal waters from Englewood to Tarpon Springs, Florida, out 20 nautical miles, Tampa Bay waters, until 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:21 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a strong thunderstorm was located near Tampa Bay, moving northwest at 15 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Impact, expect wind gusts in excess of 34 knots, suddenly high waves, frequent lightning, and heavy downpours. Make sure all on board are wearing life jackets. Locations impacted include Terracea Bay, Passagrille Channel, Gemmy Bridge, Old Tampa Bay, Howard Franklin Bridge, Port Manatee Reef, Tampa Bay, Cockroach Bay, Sunshine Skyway Bridge, Hillsborough Bay, and St. Pete Beach. From Saturday afternoon until further notice. At 10 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Friday, the stage was 7.6 feet. Flood stage is 8 feet. Minor flooding is forecast. Forecast. The river is expected to rise above flood stage early tomorrow afternoon and continue rising to 8.3 feet Monday morning. Additional rises are possible thereafter. Impact at 8 feet. Flooding begins at the recreation area on State Road 54. Flood history. This crest compares to a previous crest of 8.3 feet on January 24th, 1998. The flood warning for the